edutainment. Edutainment means education plus entertainment. Yes, there are cultural programs. Just wait for some time. Respected headmaster of our institution, respected teaching staff, and my dear children, good evening all of you. Good evening, and a happy English language day to all of you, all of us. In fact, Shakespeare's birth anniversary is celebrated as English Language Day, and that happens to be 23rd of April. However, our AP government's officials have decided to conduct a 3-day language celebration program. As part of this, it's the first day, it's English Language Day. Right. My dear children, do you know the importance of English language? There are innumerable advantages for English language. English forms the lingua franca. The English professionals have considered English language as lingua franca. Lingua franca means the connecting link between the speakers of various languages. And English is very flexible language. What for? The words of many languages have been adapted into English language. Even Indian words such as Bapu, Didi, Namkeen, Papad, etc. 2 Telugu words have also been taken into Oxford Dictionary. Do you know what those Telugu words are? They are bandicoot. Bandicoot means pandikokku. Both the words are almost similar, you know, similar in pronunciation. Bandicoot, pandikokku. Right. One more word is pitta. P-I-T-T-A, pitta. Right. And alright, and dear students, up to 10th class, you have English as one of the subjects. In intermediate, you have to give up some of the subjects. However, English becomes the first language in intermediate. Then you complete intermediate. Then you can enter degree. Even in degree, English follows you. In fact, English haunts you throughout your life. Even after completion of the degree, you have to search for jobs. If you want to crack interviews effectively, you need to communicate in English effectively. That's why English has innumerable uses. It becomes the part of your life. And you just take electronic gadgets such as mobile phones, laptops, tabs, etc. If you go through social media accounts such as Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and even WhatsApp groups, if you want to read some message, which language should be learned by you? English language. If you don't know English language, will you be able to read all the messages incorporated in social media accounts? You can't. So English becomes the part of your life. Everyone must learn English language. Okay, I don't make you feel bored anymore. But before winding up, let me sing one song. The name of the movie is Tammudu. Look at my face in the mirror, but I don't know what I see. I'm just a traveling soldier, but I will be all I can be. But right now, I just wanna be all I can be. Hey, hey, I wanna be all I can be. Don't you say I must tell you, you don't know who I can be. If they wanna know who am I, they just have to wait and see. But right now, I just wanna be free. I wanna be all I can be. Hey, hey, I wanna be all I can be. I'm just a traveling soldier, and I will be all I can be. But right now, I just wanna be free. I wanna be all I can be. Hey, hey, I wanna be all I can be. So, one more song from Telugu movie. It's also a complete English song, but only the starting lines of the song are sung by me. This song was sung by Padma Shri Bhanumati Garu from the movie Todu Nida released in the year 1965. When I was just a little girl, I asked my mother, what will I be? Will I be pretty? Will I be rich? Here is what she said to me. Que sera, sera. Whatever will be, will be. Que sera, sera. Whatever will be, will be.
Butterfly song, butterfly, 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 butterfly. Where are you going? Where are you going? Out in a garden, out in a garden. Dancing, 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 dancing. Pretty, pretty butterfly, pretty, pretty butterfly. Lovely, lovely butterfly, lovely, lovely butterfly. Can everyone and all?
Come on, give a big round of applause.
Respected HM Madam, respected teachers and my dear friends. Good afternoon everyone. Today I am saying about English Day. English Day is international festival today. Today I am saying about communication. Where we have to go, we have to speak English. If we go to school or any job, wherever we have to go, we have to speak only English. English is very international language in our university. So I am saying about English, sir. English, sir, I am very thankful to you, sir. Our students very thankful to you, sir, because yes, you are doing very hard work to saying about English language, sir. We did not know how to speak English, how to write English, sir. Thank you so much, sir. You are telling, you are saying about many languages like English, like subject, adjectives, nouns, so on, sir. Thank you so much, sir, giving this wonderful opportunity.
Apple, apple, red, red apple, very, very sweet apple. Apple, apple, red, red apple, very, very sweet apple. Sapota, sapota, brown, brown sapota, very, very sweet sapota. Masandi, masandi, green, green masandi, very, very sweet masandi. Masandi, masandi, green, green masandi, very, very sweet masandi. Banana, banana, yellow, yellow banana, very, very sweet banana. Banana, banana, yellow, yellow banana, very, very sweet banana. Grapes, grapes, black, black grapes, very, very sweet grapes. Grapes, grapes, black, black grapes, very, very sweet grapes. Thank you, one and all.
Respected headmaster, teachers and my dear friends, good evening one and all. We shall overcome, we shall overcome, we shall overcome someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe that we shall overcome someday. That we shall overcome someday. We walk in hand, we walk hand in hand, we walk hand in hand someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe that we shall overcome someday. That we shall overcome someday. That we are not afraid, we are not afraid, we are not afraid today. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe that we shall overcome someday. That we shall overcome someday. Thank you, one and all.
Beautiful peacock, 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 beautiful peacock. I have a feathers, colorful feathers. I have a feathers, colorful feathers. I have a crest, lovely crest. I have a crest, lovely crest. I can dance, foot tapping dance. I can dance, foot tapping dance. Peacock, peacock, beautiful peacock, 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 beautiful peacock. Thank you, wonder.
మార్నింగ్ కార్లో అనుకున్నాం ఒకసారి భాష దినోత్సవాలు ఏవో ఉన్నాయి, ఈరోజు ఇంగ్లీష్ అంటే ఎందుకంటే సార్ నేను రెడీగా ఉన్నాను సార్ అంటే ఆయన ఒక ఆర్పి రిసోర్స్ పర్సన్ మన స్కూల్స్ కావాల్సినటువంటి మెటీరియల్ తయారు చేసుకున్నారు ఆయన. జస్ట్ 1 year అయింది. ఈయనే కనుక కంటిన్యూ అవుతే రేపు పొద్దున్న ఒక 3-4 ఇయర్స్ అయ్యేసరికి మొత్తం అందరూ కూడా పిచ్చి రాగిపెట్టేస్తారు. అందరూ ఏమన్నా తప్పేమైనా ఉందరే చెప్పరా? ఇప్పుడు ఏదో మనీష్ సంతోష్ని ఇలాగ అంటున్నాం. ఇప్పుడు ఈ అమ్మాయి ఉందనుకో సురేఖ, అసలు ఏం మాట్లాడుతుంది? ఆ అమ్మాయితో కూడా చక్కగా ఇంగ్లీష్లో చక్కగా ఆయన అదే కన్వర్జేషన్ అన్నారు. లేకపోతే ఆ సందర్భానుసారంగా మాట్లాడడం అనేది, ఆయన ఇంప్రూవ్ చేయడం అనేది ఆయన యొక్క తప్పని మనకి ఖచ్చితంగా కనబడుతుంది. కాబట్టి మన ఇంగ్లీష్ సార్కి అయితే మాత్రం స్పెషల్ థ్యాంక్స్ అండి. అది యాక్చువల్గా మన హెచ్ఎం మేడం గారి దగ్గర నుంచి ఆవిడ అలాగే ఉంటున్నారు. కాబట్టి మన స్కూల్ అయితే మాత్రం ఖచ్చితంగా రేపు పొద్దున్న 2-3 ఏళ్ళు అయ్యేసరికి ఇంగ్లీష్లో మాత్రం టాప్లో ఉంటుందని మాత్రం చెప్పగలను. థ్యాంక్ యూ
వెరీ మచ్. Great words of HM sir. Thank you once again. Thank you all.